Check engine light on? Just failed emissions? This video is for you. A new catalytic converter is a major repair you don't want to face. The right cleaner can save you that headache. Covering the 7 best catalytic converter cleaners, budget bottles to garage-grade sprays. Links in the description. Stick around. The #1 pick does something no other cleaner here can do. Starting at number 7, the Catalytic Catalytic Converter Cleaner. The best ultra-budget pick for drivers fighting rotten egg exhaust smell. Your car smells like sulfur every red light. That's a struggling cat, and most additives ignore the smell entirely. Catalytic is the one cheap bottle built around fixing it. First, a sulfur-targeting fuel additive that breaks down carbon and soot, causing the rotten egg odor. Next, cleans the cat, oxygen sensors, exhaust gas recirculation valve, and combustion chamber. Full exhaust path coverage from one pour. Finally, 1 bottle per full tank. Pour, drive, repeat every 6,000 miles. The catch: gasoline only, no spray application, and you need to nearly empty the tank before refilling. Best for sulfur-smell sufferers on a tight budget. Not for diesel owners or anyone wanting a mechanical clean. At $16.72, it's the cheapest legit cat additive that actually targets the smell. Car smells like eggs? Start here. At number 6, the Dura Lube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment. The best mass-market budget pick that outlasts 1 tank. Most cheap additives wear off after 1 tank. The light comes back next week. Dura Lube Severe is built to last longer. First, 1 bottle treats up to 16 gallons of fuel, a full tank for most vehicles. Next, protects the cat from oil poisons, silicone and phosphorus that destroy converters from the inside. Finally, 1 treatment lasts 3 months or 5,000 miles, far longer than most pour-ins. The catch: gasoline only, no spray nozzle, and you need a near-empty tank to dose correctly. Best for high-mileage drivers wanting 1 bottle that lasts months. Not for diesel or quick-fix needs. At $16.98, the Severe formula stretches farther than almost any budget bottle. Months of protection from 1 pour? Pick this. Coming in at number 5, the Liqui Moly 7110 Catalytic System Clean. The best European chemistry pick on this list. Most cheap additives are mystery formulas. Liqui Moly is what German workshops trust. The 7110 brings that chemistry straight to your fuel tank. First, a single 300 milliliter bottle treats up to 70 liters of fuel, close to 2 full fill-ups on most sedans. Next, turbocharger-safe formulation. Cleans the catalytic converter without attacking turbo bearings or seals. Finally, scrubs the injection system and combustion chamber alongside the cat. Better burn, less unburned fuel reaching the converter. The catch: gasoline engines only, no diesel support, and the 300 milliliter size is smaller than most 16-ounce competitors here. Best for turbocharged drivers and anyone wanting European chemistry on a budget. Not for diesel owners or large displacement V8s. At $16.68, the 7110 brings real German chemistry to your fuel tank. Want premium engineering without the fuss? Grab this one. At number 4, the Rislone 4720 Cat Complete. The best mid-range pick for an unclear check engine light. A P0420 code doesn't always mean the cat itself. Could be injectors, exhaust gas recirculation, an oxygen sensor, or carbon in the combustion chamber. Rislone hits them all in 1 bottle. First, 7-target formulation. Fuel injectors, intake valves, combustion chamber, turbo, exhaust gas recirculation, cat, and oxygen sensors in 1 pour. Next, heavy-duty detergents and solvents. Scrub away soot and carbon the cheap additives leave behind. Finally, a single 16.9-ounce bottle treats a full tank. No measuring, no math, no second pour. The catch: gasoline engines only, no spray. And the 7-system reach means no specialty deep clean of the cat. Best for drivers with a stubborn check engine light and unclear cause. Not for diesel owners or anyone targeting one component. At $23.43, the 4720 is a scattershot fix for a vague code. Not sure what's triggering the light? Pour this in. At number 3, the OXICAT Oxygen Sensor and Catalytic Converter Cleaner 2-pack. The best preventive maintenance pick for extending cat life. Most cleaners are reactive. You reach for them after the light comes on. By then, damage is already done. OXICAT is for the visit before the light strategy. First, 2 cans in 1 box. Full system cleanse across consecutive fill-ups instead of a single rushed dose. Next, petrol, diesel, and hybrid compatibility. One of the only cleaners here that works in a hybrid powertrain. Finally, dissolve soot and carbon across the exhaust path. Intake valves through the cat to the oxygen sensors. The catch: no spray nozzle, 2 back-to-back treatments required, and the formula is strong smelling at the pump. Best for hybrid drivers and high-mileage owners doing preventive maintenance. Not for emergency P0420 fixes or one-tank turnarounds. At $33.95, OXICAT is the cleaner you use before the light comes on. Cat still healthy? Keep it that way. Quick reminder, if this is helping, hit like and subscribe. Links are in the description. Now to the top 2 picks. At number 2, the Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. The most recognized cat cleaner on the market, and the best brand trust pick here. You've tried a no-name additive. The light came right back. You're done gambling on unknowns. Cataclean is the default that emission shops actually recognize by name. First, a formulation tested to cut total hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%, most often used for emissions test prep. Next, 50 state legal, volatile organic compound in California, and over-the-counter compliant nationwide, so it's safe to use anywhere without smog station issues. Finally, works in both gasoline and diesel engines. Pour the 16-ounce bottle into a near-empty tank and drive normally. The catch: only 1 bottle per treatment, no spray application, and severely clogged cats may need a second dose. Best for drivers heading into an emissions test or wanting the most known brand. Not for severely clogged systems needing physical cleaning. At $27.95, Cataclean is the cleaner emission stations have seen for years. Heading to the smog station, this is the bottle. Now, the number 1 pick. This is the only cleaner here you don't pour in your fuel tank. Here it is. The number 1 best catalytic converter cleaner is the MotorPower Care Diesel Particulate Filter Foam Cleaner Spray. The most aggressive treatment here, built for cats that fuel additives can't touch. Every other cleaner here goes in your fuel tank, meaning most burns off before reaching the cat. The MotorPower Care Spray skips that entirely. First, a long-reach nozzle that sprays directly into the catalytic converter through the oxygen sensor port. No disassembly required. Second, German-engineered foam that clings to the substrate instead of running through, physically dissolving soot and carbon inside the cat. Third, works on diesel, gasoline, and hybrid systems, used by independent shops on heavily clogged cats they'd otherwise replace. The catch? Requires removing an oxygen sensor, more involved than pouring a bottle, and moderate mechanical skill needed. Best for severely clogged cats, recurring P0420 codes, anyone wanting a mechanical grade clean. Not for routine maintenance or first-time DIYers. At $27.99, this is shop-grade treatment in a spray can. Want the deepest clean here? Nothing else compares. And there you have it, the 7 best catalytic converter cleaners. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going with. All the links are down in the description. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.